Welcome back to a DAO podcast. The question I'm asking myself is, are we safe as Kenyans? The government of Kenya approved a plan with the United States of America to set up an Ebola quarantine facility in Kenya, specifically in Laikipia Air Base. The plan was the United States of America committed 1.74 billion Kenyan shillings to establish an isolation or a treatment hub facility for the American citizens who have been exposed to Ebola in Africa. The reason being is that the United States doesn't want any case of Ebola in America. They want to contain it in Africa. Specifically, they chose Kenya. Now, Kenya has never had a case of Ebola, and the government is risking importing, let's use the word importing, Ebola into the country. People may say there will be job opportunities for the locals. Mind you, people are going to die. Remember, Ebola has no treatment, and almost 90% of victims of Ebola, they die. And Ebola can be transmitted by a dead person. So I don't know what the government is thinking. Man, I don't know what we're going to do, but it's happening. It's already happening. Even if the court of Kenya has issued a suspension halting the construction of that facility, this is Kenya. Now, the citizens are demanding full disclosure of the agreement that the Kenyan government had with the United States. Because, man, what else did they sign? We don't know.